Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week so far. Today we are going to be making a layered multi-tiered card. It's more like a step card. Very interesting. I love pop-up cards and I love fancy fold cards, so I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Also guys, this could be not just for greetings card, but you can use it in your journal as a 3D pop-up element and embellishment. So guys, keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. I love this sort of project. I'm very excited today to share with you how to make these. It's like a multi-tiered card. Now, as you can see today, I made them with lots of flowers and butterflies and embellishment because I want this card to stand. It's basically stand straight like this, and then you can either put a message on the back, or I don't know if you put happy birthday and then a little piece of paper with your message. And the good things about this, that folds flat, so you can put it into an envelope. But one other thing you can do as well, you could glue this on a journal. When a person opened the page, it stand like this. You, instead of putting flowers, you can put some, I don't know, photograph, postcard, or little embellishment. So if you want me to do another project completely different, that it's not flowers, leave me a comment down below and then I'll do it. As you will see this video, me and Jamie will either be in Italy or we just come back from Italy, so I'm not really sure how when I'm gonna schedule this video for. But yeah, anyway, leave me a comment down below and then I'll do another video. But yeah, I love this sort of project. These could be an amazing showstopper if you put it on your mantelpiece for a birthday card. So yeah, I'm very happy. So I'll leave this in there because it's really pretty to look at. So as a base, as you can see, you've got 4 tiers, and then all sides have been decorated, even the inside bits and the inside layers. So yes, so what I used my brand new paper kit. It's called Sparkling Fields because there is a lot of print, that floral print, that reminds me of summer fields in England. So that's the typical colors. So you got a couple of pages with backgrounds, and then you get a couple of pages with tags. Love that. Then you get a envelope. So you get 2 square envelopes and then a huge scallop envelope. You get a gift box. It's a cube gift box, so you just fussy cut it and you put it together as a cube, and then you can just open in there, and then you can put some treats, some chocolate. This is really nice for if you do like a table setting with all this floral. This could be little tray. And then a milk carton gift box. So you saw me using this when we did the Alice in Wonderland. So this is what it looks like when it's built up. I mean, this is just copy paper, but if you print this on a cardstock, you've got really strong milk carton gift box. Then you get a page with 4 different backgrounds, which I've designed this to be cards background. I might do a cards video with this. And it is just more and more background with flowers, just in different colors. So this is probably the best digital papers for floral lovers, because there's a lot of flowers in that. Yeah, loads and loads. This is what I've used for, because it's my favorite page for this side and the back. I love it. Then this one. So basically you've got 3 different color palettes. So you've got the mustard, the pink, and the blue. Okay, so these 3 colors are all the colors that repeat. Okay, so every page match. Okay, so as you can see, they all match because they're different shades of the same colors. Okay, so that is the Spring and Field. Everything I have used, guys, I will link it in the info box so you guys can go and have a look. For the embellishments, so those ones, I have used my kit's called Happy Haberdashery, which is, this is flowers. So if you think about John Lewis or any department store or even little vintage haberdashery store, this is what you buy in the haberdashery section, which is these fabric flowers. Okay, and I got tons and tons and tons. So this is a very popular papers of mine as well, and it got different shade of flowers. Now what you can do, this is the page, which is an A4. If you print this, and you just need to check your printer setup. So what I've done, this page, I told my printer I wanted to scale it in half. Okay, so you get the same page scaled in half and printed twice in a page. So you've got the same flowers, so it's exactly the same flowers, but reduced the dimension. So this is basically, this flower here is half of the size as that. Okay, so what you can do, you can print these flowers smaller. Okay, you've got some bunting, some paper rosette, some fabric rosette. They break for 4th of July. You've got some ribbons. Again, a different scale. Some more embellishments. I love these flowers. Love them. So you've got different shades of pink and yellow. And again, I'm trying to give you different colors. So you've got your pink and yellows in there, and then you've got your red and blue. Okay, so you can do all different projects with all different color stories. Okay, so that's the kit. And then for the butterflies, I'm not going to get them out because you see me using this. This is probably one of my best sellers as well. This is the Pussycat butterflies. You've got tons of pages with all different sizes butterflies that you can just Pussycat them and use as a finishing touch for your project, like I just did for this one. So you've got one there, one there, and one there. I love it. Sorry, I keep looking at it, but I'm very pleased with this. So very, very simple how you put it. I know it looks complicated, but it's actually very straightforward. So what you need a piece of cardstock that is 8 by 6. Okay, 8 by 6, and then you score it at 2 and 6. And what you do, you just make a little marking there on 2 inches on each side and draw a diagonal line, and you just chop these off. Okay, so this one will be the base of your card, and these 2 triangles are basically those ones. Okay, so that's the base. And then you got 4 different layers. Okay, so you got that, and that. So you've got your 4 tiers. You can make more tiers. Okay, so instead of being 4 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can make it 6 possibly. Just be careful, because if you add a lot of layer, you probably won't be able to see the elements in a lot of details. So, but what you can do, you can make this card slightly bigger. So each of the layers, as you can see, in fact, if I put it like that, you could probably see it. Each of the layers, it measures 5 inches wide. All of them, as you can see, 5 inches. Okay, and then what you do in all of them, you score it at 1/2 inch. Okay, so you've got these tabs there on each side that are 1/2 inch. So if I pull them together again, you will see they're all 5 inches. Okay, and they all got this 1/2 inch tab, because these tabs is what you glue, just those ones there. Okay, and then so the 5 inches, so one is 4 3/4, One is 3 3/4, one is 2 3/4, and one is 2 inches. But they're all at 5 inches wide. And why we do that, because all of them, guys, they will give you different tiers. Okay, like that. And what you simply do, guys, you fold it like that, and then you glue them into the panel, which I'll show you in just a moment. So as you guys know, I always use my brush for this project because it's better with glue. So let me chop the, so remember guys, this is, before I cut it off, it's 8 by 6. Okay, so leave it 2 inches and you draw a diagonal line at 6, so you score at 2 and 6. And the reason why I'm doing this when it's white, because if I do this when it's printer paper, you won't be able to see anything. So I'll do it when it's white so you can see the prototype better. So you fold that inwards. Okay, so let's start with the biggest, which is 5 inches by 4 3/4. And what you simply do, guys, you just put some glue in there and some glue in there. Okay, so make sure that the edge of this matches the edge of the card. Keep it straight like that, and you just put some glue. And I'll do the exactly same on the other side. And what you do, you simply fold that inwards, and you fold that inwards. Oh, sorry guys, on the other side. Oh god, but you get the gist. Oh god, I glued them the other way around. Yeah, so ignore me. So this tab's gone on the other way around. So for example, on the 3 3/4, which is the next one, oh dear me, it goes on the other way around. So you sorry guys. Oh well, things like this happen. Oh dear. It's just because I'm a bit tired. I could do with a little nap, but I don't have time for a nap today. So this is 5 inches by 3 1/4. So what you do, you position it again. It's literally what we've done, but on the other way around. So you put it on the end in there, and then you just fold the side. And the beauty of it, that it folds flat. Okay, so that's the tier. Well, let's pretend that that one is right. And then we do the second last, which is the 5 by 2 3/4. It's actually really, really easy. And I'm trying to be quick. That's probably why as well. I made silly mistakes. So you just put this on front, and then the beauty of that is because you can fold it flat and then it will stick. See, it's very, very easy. And then last, and I apologize, but I got all things all over my hands. And then the last is the 5 inches by the 2 inches, which will be the front panel. Okay, and what we do, again, we put this on the front. Put it flat. And put it flat. And that's your last tier. Okay, so you get, apart from the first one, which we got it wrong, we got all the tiers together. Now this is the base of your card, and as you can see, it folds flat. Now because we made a little mistake, this on the final card, this will match. So the last panel is actually match with the edge of the card. In here it won't, simply because I made this first mistake, and as you can see, that's not right. So all of them will be a bit off centered. But if you do it properly, it will this rectangular will come on the very front, and it's easy because, as I said, look, it falls flat. Okay, so you can put on the envelope. So that is the base of your card. Okay, love it, love it, love it. Okay guys, I hope you like this tutorial. Very simple. Thank you so much guys for your continuous love and support. It really means the world to me. Today, special thank you, and I put her comment down on the screen now, goes to Gretchen. I hope I pronounced it right. Lovely Gretchen said that I bring sunshine to the table no matter what I what I make. And well, I make mistakes as well. This is an example, but who cares? We're all here to have fun. But I make mistakes, so you don't have to. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for a lovely comment. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, a big huge thumbs up. You're always much appreciated, and you tell YouTube how fabulous I am. Guys, if you like fanciful cards or more like the 3D project, I will put a couple of videos here on the screen. One will be a link that takes you straight back to a fanciful pinwheel card that we done not long ago, and another video somewhere here when I show you how to make some easy popper 3D cards. So yeah, carry on watching guys, and until Friday, stay safe and well. Bye.